Year 2, welcome to today's maths lesson. Now, today in maths I'm going to be showing you something a bit new. We are going to ask now every Friday for your maths work that you go on to Times Table Rockstars. Now, you've done loads of work on multiplication this year, and so we think now it's really good for you to go on to Times Table Rockstars and consolidate what you know and get really fast at your times table. So I'm going to show you today how to log on. So I know a few of you have been doing Times Table Rockstars already, and if you have, then you're good to go. You don't have to watch the rest of this. You can just get on and play for about 20 minutes on TT Rockstars and up your coins and improve your score. But if you haven't played before, I'm going to show you how to log on. Now, the good news is you already know your login. Your login for Times Table Rockstars is exactly the same as your Numbots login. So you can use the same login and the same password. So what we'll do, we'll go into Google Chrome. Bring that up. Okay. In Google Chrome, you search for, you can either do Times Table Rockstars or you can even search for TTRS. Okay, that's the abbreviation. So you can see there it says TTRS Rockstars or login. That should get us to the right site. Here we go. So it says here, Times Tables Rockstars. That's what we're looking for. Right. So click on that one. And it takes us to their home page. There we go. Right, then you need to go to login. We get the cool logo at the top there. I'm afraid my internet's a bit slow. It takes a while. Then you need to go to school. Oh, no, not logging on the teacher. I jumped to that one. So you're going to go to, I'll show you again. So you're going to go to school. Oh, it keeps jumping on my one. I do apologise. And then once you go to school, you're going to go to student. Okay, so you need to make sure it's got Willingham Primary School, so it knows which school you're at. You might have to search for that if it doesn't come up straight away. And then you type in your username, which, as I said before, is the same as your TTRS one. And your password is the same as well. And you can log in. Yours might be a bit faster than mine if you've got better internet. Oh, it's thinking. Here we go. Right, you can save your password if you want to. I'm not going to. So it then says, welcome to Times Table Rockstars. I'm your coach, Baz Winter. What's your name? So you're going to choose your rockstar name. So when you hear Mr. Morrell read out those funny names in assembly, this is what you can choose. So it comes up with some suggestions. And if you don't like any of them, then you can click on Generate More Names, and it gives you a new list. Do I like any of these ones? Oh, quite. I'm going to try one more search. Oh, I'm going to go for this one, Flea Termini. I like that one. So I'm going to go with that one. And yes, that's what I'm going to call Flea. That sounds good. If you change your mind, you can go to choose another, but if you're happy with it, click on yes, and then you've got your rockstar name. It'll be on all your certificates, and that people will see on like the league tables and stuff as to where you are. Okay, so this is your game home where you begin your journey, take a look around and start playing. So there are lots of different types of games that you can do on TTRS. If you play a gig, that sort of works out what you know and which level you need to go on. And once you've done the gig, you can then go to the garage. So it says here, welcome, this is your first gig. You've got 5 minutes to answer up to 100 multiplication questions. The gig ends when the time is up or you've answered all the questions, whichever comes first. Afterwards, you can practice in the garage to get ready for your next gig. So give the gig your best shot. So that's what you need to do first. When you go on today, the first thing to do is go onto the gig, click on that. Oh, here we are. Start gig over here is what we need to do now. So you go to start gig. it counts you in, and then it gives you a question. So your question here, 12 times 10. You can either click on the numbers there and press enter, or you can type them like I am there on my keyboard. And it starts off nice and easy with our 10 times table, getting those done. And can you see, as I'm getting them right, the little man's moving up the guitar to show what my score is. So the higher he goes, the better you're doing. Now this goes on for 5 minutes, and I'm not going to sit here and do the whole thing for you now. It's a bit boring. So you get the idea. You're going to log on to TTRS, Times With Rockstars, choose your name, and then you're going to have a go at doing a gig. And once you've done the gig, the garage will have the ones in that you need to practice, so it'll be ready for you. And then it will move you up as you improve and get better and better at your times tables. Okay, so good luck, have fun. If you can't remember your username and login for Numbots, email your teachers either on Purple Mash or their normal email addresses, and they'll get in touch with you and let you know which your login is. So hope you enjoy it. It's lots of fun, and I look forward to seeing your scores soon. Bye bye.